Hello friends, and welcome to our review of the Glen 5-burner built-in glass hob with flame failure device. This 5-burner built-in hob comes with flame failure device which in case of any LPG leakage prevents the gas supply automatically within 10 seconds, making it absolutely safe. The 8.0 mm thick and toughened glass is heat and impact resistant and comes with 5-year warranty against breakage. This complete built-in hob is designed to blend seamlessly with your modern kitchen interiors. It has 5 Italian forged brass burners. Forging process makes the burner 5 times stronger and increases the life of the burner. There are 1 triple ring, 2 big and 2 small burners to be used as per your requirement. This glass hob top is 90 cm wide, thus provides maximum space for cooking. The flame failure device FFD and the gas valves are made in Italy. The precision of Italian gas valves takes care of flame control and there are no chances sim off. This hob has strong vitreous enameled pan supports which can accommodate heavy utensils with ease. Elegant knobs with firm grip are provided for hassle-free operations. The hob comes with integrated multi-spark auto ignition of 230 volts, so there is no need for lighters or matchsticks. It ignites the burner only during the cooking operations. This 5-burner flame failure device hob from Glen comes with a 2-year brand warranty. You can also register for a 5-year warranty on the glass. For further information on this Glen 5-burner built-in glass hob, visit the product detail page.